All right, everyone, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, my awesome second grade. Good morning, second grade. Great to have you back with me on this very rainy Friday. You guys have all done an amazing job this entire week. I'm extremely proud of you. Today is our catch-up day. So I'm going to hop right in and show you where you need to look to see if you have any missing assignments and what the day is going to look like for you. All right, first off, let's start off with the agenda. You found my video. Here's the link for our Zoom meeting in the morning, which is share time. So please find something that you'd like to share with the rest of the class. After that, there's no morning work. Your assignment is to finish any missing morning work from the week, and I'll go over how to find missing work in just a moment. I would like you to still read today for 30 to 40 minutes. It's good to keep that habit going. Writing, finish your narrative writing for this week. I'll fix that. Shouldn't say informational, should say narrative. Your special today is music, so click on the Classwork tab. Go all the way down to specials from Friday music, and there's a link in here that you can click, and it's filled with other links that Mr. Corcoran has put on a Google Doc that you can open up and take a look. All right, back in here. Math, finish up any missing math work from the week. Science, finish any of the missing science work from the week. That's the map and the compass rose. Looks like you'll have to do both inside if you're doing them today. So make sure you're finishing them up. And that's it. If you have missing work from previous weeks, don't worry about doing it today. We're just worrying about the current week that we are on. That's what you are really responsible for doing. So, if you're probably wondering, am I missing anything? All right, let's go to the Classwork tab. Looking on here, if you're looking just in the Classwork tab, it's hard to see if it is turned in or if it's missing. It looks a lot easier if you go into View Your Work, right up here at the top. So click that. Hide that. Okay, so you can see work that's turned in, but not graded. Like this piece of morning work for a student has not been graded yet. This one right here for math has been graded. You can see got a 4 out of 4. And then there's others in here that say missing. If it's in red, it just means that it's not there. So it just needs to be finished or it needs to be turned in. Maybe you forgot to hit the turn in button. All this stuff needs to be turned in, has to be finished. And you can see on here, make a map and like things like computer time, they're assigned, but they are not due yet. Like computer time, there's nothing to turn in, so you don't have to worry about it. But like make a map, that's due today, so it still shows up as assigned. And the due time on it is by midnight tonight. And let's see. So right here, Monday, 4/27, that was your first assignment for the week, right here. Don't worry about previous weeks. So 4/16 would have been before vacation. So anything below this, anything going down, don't worry. Just be worrying about all this stuff for this week. All right? And trust me, a student has not been on top of his game this week. And I know a lot of you have been. So you might just be missing one or two things. So try to get in and get those finished. Okay? If you got something returned, like this one right here, you're pretty sure that you finished it, click on it. And it looks like Mr. D left a message saying, looks like you forgot to upload a picture. Please do that and then turn in again. I notice these things when you turn them in. If you missed a page, if you missed a couple of questions I know that you can get right, I'm going to send it back to you, okay? And be looking for my comments, and then you can click on it and fix it. That's all I've got for you today. I look really forward to seeing you all at 9 o'clock for our share time. Other than that, have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. Bye, everybody.